YouTube, what is up? I'm back with another update on my hair transplant. I just want to apologize for the long delay in the videos. I've just been slammed with work and I haven't had a day off in like 10 days, but I'm actually here. I actually have to work today, but I'm here early in the morning making this video for y'all. So yeah, it's been 9 months since my hair transplant, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Turn to the left, turn to the right, and get up a little closer. Okay, and this is with no alterations, no hair fibers, no beamer, no anything. So I'm actually, yeah. So this is the left side, and this is the right side. Now the left side looks a little bit more fuller, and then this right side is catching up. So if you look at it like, if you look at it just straight on, it looks like it looks very well. I'm sorry, it looks very good to me. I like the results so far. However, when I do turn my head like this, I am a little sparse like here towards the back of the transplant area. But honestly, you guys, I'm very happy with the results. I mean, I go out like this, I feel confident. Of course, it's not 100%, but I feel like I'm like 70% there for the most part. And I still have 3 more months to go. This is only the 9-month mark. So yeah, I'm hoping that I will not need another hair transplant. And I know some of you guys wanted to see the back of my head, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn around. And you guys wanted to see the donor area, so there it is. Okay, I'm gonna turn back around. So yeah, this is my hair. I'm gonna just tell you guys what I did. So I washed it yesterday. And if you guys want to know how I wash my hair, I have a video on my channel that I will link. I washed my hair, conditioned my hair, and then I sprayed some aloe vera juice like I normally do, and I used a styling product. The styling product that I use is, well, I've been testing this out. This is the Dow Big Papa. This is like a styling gel, and I was a little worried about using styling products on my hair because it was still growing and stuff like that. But as long as you're ingredient conscious, I think you should be fine. Like, don't overdo it, of course. But yeah, you should be fine to style your hair while your hair transplant is still growing out. What supplements or vitamins have I been taking? So I've been taking this Saw Palmetto Extra Strength. I got this on Amazon. This was like $16, and you get 100 capsules. The daily recommended thing is to take 2, but I would suggest you start off with 1, because when I took 2, I was having like a couple of side effects. Like, I felt a little drowsy, and I had slight headaches. So my recommendation is, if you're gonna take Saw Palmetto, take 1 per day and take it on a full stomach. Don't take it like right when you get up and you haven't eaten or anything. So yeah, these are on Amazon. There's a bunch of different ones. You don't have to get this one, but this is just the one I chose. Okay, so somebody does not want me to make this video because my camera battery just died, my microphone battery died, and so now I'm back. So now I have to really enunciate so you guys can hear me. But anyway, sorry for the delay. Where was I? Okay, so I just told you about the vitamins I was taking. Saw Palmetto, blah, 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 blah. The oils that I've been using. So, I have a Saw Palmetto serum. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I got this on Amazon. This was like $15 for 2 ounces. So I use this just whenever I feel like it. Like, I don't have like a set schedule, but I use this like before I wash my hair. I'll put some of this on before I wash it. So I guess I would say I use this maybe 2 or 3 times a week. So this is the Saw Palmetto Serum. This is like, it blocks DHT. I'm just using it as prevention measures. Like, I don't need this for my hair to look like this, I don't think, but I'm just gonna do everything I can to prevent further balding. So yeah, I use this, Amazon.com. And also use this hair growth oil. This is like batana oil. And you can just use. I buy this at this local health food store. But honestly, you can just get any Jamaican black castor oil because that's mostly what this is. It has a few other oils. It's like an oil mixture, but the main oils in this are Jamaican black castor oil and batana oil. But you can just get a Jamaican black castor oil from beauty supply store. It's like $8. So I'll alternate between this one and the saw palmetto. So like I may use this one on Monday and then use this one on Tuesday, this one on Wednesday. So I kind of alternate these right now, and that's just what I've been doing, putting it on my scalp, just a few drops. Like you don't want to make your hair greasy or anything. Don't apply too much. But yeah, that's all I've been doing. So yeah, you guys, this is the 9-month update. I have my appointment in 3 months, which is in June, and I'm really excited. I'm happy that I went through with the process. At first, it was a little bit difficult. Like I would say the first 2 months or so were the worst. Not the worst, I mean like the most difficult, because I had to wear do-rags and I just didn't feel confident about showing my hair at first. But after the 2 months were up, at month 3, you know, I was able to go out and wear my hair, and yeah, it's been a really just positive experience. And I have no complaints. So I will update you guys next month. Actually, I'm not even gonna say when. Whenever I feel like making another video, but hopefully sooner rather than later. But yeah, let me go ahead and close this video out because I don't want my camera to die again. And if you guys have any more questions that I can address in a video, that leads me to my other point. So someone asked me if I was taking finasteride or minoxidil, and I am not taking either one of those. I'm just a person that likes to go the natural approach. So, you know, that's just my philosophy on what I put into my body. But yeah, if you decide to do that, then by all means, if you feel like you need that, then go ahead and use that. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later, and thanks for tuning into my video. Thank you guys for the support. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later.